Hi guys, welcome back. I'm gonna show you all my Lego guns. We have this little boy here. Yeah, little boy. Got a working trigger. Yeah. Next we have this jolt. Sight. Now we have this machine pistol. You know what? Let's just skip that one. Dude. Then we have this Glock 17. Let's reload. This school slide, and this is one of my most recent ones. Yep, look at this. And also has a removable magazine. You know what this one? Here's the machine pistol. Okay, so this is the magazine. This is the magazine. Pretty strange. Anyways, that's all my Lego guns for today, guys. I will make even more Lego guns, which are bigger and look cooler. They look cooler. And they look cooler. Bye bye.